Me gladi fasi huno Chillun.
Is this your house and your land, ma'am? Will you tell us how you got it?
Absolutely. Huno no WEBE Gullah Geechee, right?
Anointed people.
The way we can best take care of ourselves is to have land and turn it and till it by our own labor.
On January 12, 1865, 20 black preachers met in Savannah, GA.
A long time ago in Georgia. Was you there?
That was before my time, son. I inherited this land from my great-grandparents, who agreed that we needed to own land.
We Gullah Geechee Queen told us. Our land is from Jacksonville to Jacksonville.
Yeah. From North Carolina to Florida is the
Gullah Geechee Nation.
When you own your land, you can feed your family. Gullah Geechee, Chillun whole pon the land.
We be Gullah Geechee. Una must take care of the root for heal the tree.